people, how you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel, okay? And this is Variety TV 2023, okay? And now I want to talk to you about something that has helped me out a lot, okay? And as you know, uh, this is a very brand new channel that I have created. If you didn't know, now you know. And creating this channel, I haven't even completed my first 100 to 200 videos. If you don't know what that means, is your first 100 to 200 videos are the ones that you establish with how you want your channel to go. Okay? And I haven't even created mine first 100, less than 200 yet. Nevertheless, I did have some ideas of how I want my channel to go, but I did not have the know-how or talent at this time to do it. And what I want to talk to you about is a company that has helped me out a lot. And this company is called Fiverr, Fiverr. That's right. And they hire a lot of freelancers, freelance developers that can, because no one does it alone. I don't care how people try to say they do it. No one can do it alone. And what they have helped me with is they have created uh, the logo and banner for my YouTube channel that I desired. And if you were with me from the very beginning, which I think now I have 16 subscribers, but if you were with me from the very beginning, you know I had a different logo and a different banner. And Fiverr has helped me get the logo and banner I truly desired and put it on my YouTube channel. So even if you are new, have a brand new YouTube channel like me, or you're a existing YouTuber, or you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel, the any other type of uh, social media channel, okay, and videos, then this is for you, because this has helped me out a lot. And as you see right here, if you see right here, this is my new logo, and this is my new uh, banner for my channel. And I didn't really know how to edit uh, videos. I know just very, very little. Okay. And I definitely didn't know how to create banners and logos. Okay. Um, so if you are a content creator, I'm telling you, this company, just way to help me, can help you. And you can get new, brand new logos and brand new banners for your content and your content channel as a content creator, okay, for as low as $5 to $10. That's right. And then, of course, if you have a business, it goes up from there. But as low as $5 to $10, you can get yours done too. And I tell you what, I love how they communicated with me back and forth until we got it exactly right. And I have a guarantee when I was getting it done on it, and I was able to preview uh, the images and everything to make sure it was exactly how I wanted, and I was able to communicate back and forth with them. Okay, so I'm telling you, as low as $5 to $10. You can get a brand new logo or update your logo, update your banner, put a little spice and style into your channel, and they can use a logo that you all create together and a banner you all create together. They can use your actual face with your logo so people can see your beautiful face. There's tons of positive things they can do. But the cool thing about it, they don't just do banners and logos. Okay? If you have video projects that you're working on and you don't know how to edit videos, Fiverr can edit those videos for you. Okay? That's right. They do so much more than creating logos and banners. Okay? For you, for your business, or for you as a content creator. Okay? They do so much more. They can actually write out a SEO for you, statement for you and your company. They can help you build a website, okay, a blog. They could do so much for you at a reasonable price. And they have different levels. Okay, they have level one, level two. You could choose what level you want. Okay. And like I said, they correspond with you. So they keep the communication open so you can get exactly what you want. For my logo by itself, it cost me a total of $7.50 US. Okay. And same for my banner. Okay. And but of course it can go up. It all depends on who you choose and how elaborate you wanted it. Okay. So it can go up from there. But still the quality is great. And I had one incident where I was working with someone and they had a family incident and they couldn't complete it. So they gave me my money back. They gave me a choice of having my money back or did I just want a credit so I can pick someone else to do the job. So, I mean, they give you a guarantee, they work with you until they get it right. It's very professional, very straightforward, okay? And you can do it all just over chat and email. Okay, you don't have to be online, you don't have to Zoom or nothing like that. Strictly, you can do it all over email, you can do it all over. They have a chat box that you could chat back and forth with each other, okay? And they show you the project before it's finished to make sure it's going in the direction you want it. Okay, so they do so much more. So I want y'all to check them out. Okay, and I'll put a link in the description box below for them, and you can check them out yourself. Okay, and I'm telling you, I'm very critical of having people help me out with certain things, but they are very above board. They help me out tremendously, and I will recommend them to everyone. Okay, and again, they are Fiverr, Fiverr, and they do a great job. They even do upscale work. Okay, they do outsource work. Okay, they are friend. They have a whole list of things they can do. So it's not just creating uh, logos and banners for your content and or your site. Okay, they do so much more. And as you go check them out, I really think you enjoy them just the same way I enjoy them. All right, because I'll go back, especially if I have some type of special video project I want to work on and upload to this channel, and I have editing I might need doing, having done on a particular video that I want to upload to this channel. Boom, I guarantee you, I'll go back to them and have them take care of business as they have in the past for me, and I trust them. All right, and I should rap to y'all later. Again, it's Fiverr. All right, peace.